Hello everyone! Today we're learning something a little different. We're going to learn maths and arithmetic in Albanian. If you've ever wanted to explain calculations, percentages, fractions, or even help your child with some homework in Albanian, this lesson is for you. Also, if you'd like to review today's vocabulary afterwards, we've created an entire maths and arithmetic flashcards deck inside our Shqipify flashcards app. You can find it in the description below and also in the pinned comment. Now, let's start with the basic operations. These are the most important words. Mbledhje, addition. Mbledhje, it literally means gathering. Zbritje, subtraction. Zbritje. Shumëzim, multiplication. Shumëzim. Pjestim, division. Pjestim. Plus, plus. Plus and minus for minus. Minus. Her for times, or shumëzim për multiplied by. Her or shumëzim për. Pjestim për, divided by. Pjestim për. And baraz equals, or baraz me equals to such and such. Alright, let's look at some example sentences. 2 plus 3 baraz me 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 baraz me 5. 5 plus 8 baraz me 13. 5 plus 8 equals 13. 5 plus 8 baraz me 13. 10 minus 4 baraz me 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 baraz me 6. 7 her 5 baraz me 35. 7 times 5 equals 37. 7 her 5 baraz me 35. Dhe 20 pjestim për 4 baraz me 5. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 20 pjestim për 4 baraz me 5. Now we have some important verbs in maths. We have mbledh, to add. Un mbledh 5 dhe 7. I add 5 and 7. Un mbledh 5 dhe 7. Zbres, to subtract. Zbrit 4 nga 10. Subtract 4 from 10. Zbrit is in the imperative here. Subtract, telling someone to do this. Zbrit 4 nga 10. Shumëzoj, to multiply. Shumëzoj. Again in the imperative. Shumëzo 8 me 5. Multiply the 8 by 5. Shumëzo 8 me 5. Then we have pjestoj, to divide. Pjesto 20 me 4. Divide 20 by 4. Pjesto 20 me 4. Furthermore, we have logaris, to calculate. Logaris. Po logaris faturën. I am calculating the bill. Po logaris faturën. Numeroj, to count, literally to number. Numero deri në 20. Again in the imperative. Count to 20. Numero deri në 20. And mas, to measure. Mas. Po mas gjatësin. I'm measuring the length. Po mas gjatësin. Next we have some important math words. So we have shumë. Here it does not mean much or many or a lot like you're used to, but it is actually the noun some. Shumë, some. You can tell that shumë actually comes from some, which itself comes from the Latin word summa. So, shuma është 20. The sum is 20. Shuma është 20. Ndryshes, a difference. Ndryshes. Ndryshesa është 5. The difference is 5. Ndryshesa është 5. Prodhim, a product, prodhim. Prodhimi është 40. The product is 40. Prodhimi është 40. Herës, a quotient, herës. Herësi është 8. The quotient is 8. Herësi është 8. Mbetje, remainder, mbetje. 7 pjesëtim për 2 ka mbetje 1. 7 divided by 2 has a remainder of 1. 7 pjesëtim për 2 ka mbetje 1. Moving on, we have types of numbers. So we have numër qift, an even number. Numër qift. Qift literally means couple. So dyshi është numër qift. The 2 is an even number. Why have I put the there in the brackets? Obviously, in English, you don't say the 2. You say 2 is an even number, or you might say the number 2, or actually even just number 2 is an even number. In Albanian, I've put the just so you notice that in Albanian, we're using the definite. So you have dy, but if you say the 2, so the number, but without using the word number, then we say dyshi. We'll do that with other numbers as well, as you can see, shtata, pesa, etc. So dyshi është numër qift. Numër tek, an odd number. Shtata është numër tek. The 7 is an odd number. Shtata është numër tek. Numër I plot, a whole number. Numër I plot. Pesa është numër I plot. 5 is a whole number. Pesa është numër I plot. Numër negativ, a negative number. Minus 3 është numër negativ. Minus 3 is a negative number. Minus 3 është numër negativ. Moving on to fractions. Fraction, the word for it is thyes. Thyes is a fraction. Çdo thyes ka 2 pjesë. Every fraction has 2 parts. Çdo thyes ka 2 pjesë. Numëruesi, the numerator, numëruesi. Numëruesi është 3. The numerator is 3, for example. Numëruesi është 3. Then emëruesi, the dominator. Emëruesi. For example, emëruesi është 4. The dominator is 4. Gjysma ose 1/2. Okay, half or 1/2. We use 1/2 when we see this symbol here, 1/2, instead of saying half in mathematical equations. So gjysmë ore, for example, half an hour. You can also say 1/2 e 1 ore if you're in a mathematical equation. Or you can just say gjysmë ore. Now we have some other useful words like përqindje, which means percentage. Përqindje. Përqindja e studentëve ishte 20. The percentage of students was 20. Përqindja e studentëve ishte 20. Mesatare, average. Mesatare. You might hear the word mes in it, which means middle. So mesatare, the average. Mesatarja ime ishte 9.8. My average was 9.8. Mesatarja ime ishte 9.8. Sorry about that, I see I've put 9 in words and then 9.8 in numbers. You get the idea. Dy fish, double, dy fish, literally twofold. Okay, so if we wanted to say threefold, tre fish, fourfold, katër fish, and so on. Duhet të dyfishoj shumën. I need to double the amount. Now I've used the verb here, okay, dyfishoj. In English, it's double as a noun or I need to double as a verb, stays the same. We will have to use this form of the verb, dy fishoj. If you want to say I want to make it threefold, tre fishoj, katër fishoj, pes fishoj, and so on. Duhet të dy fishoj shumën. Katror means square. Katror. Pesa në katror është 25. 5, literally in square, is 25. 5 squared is 25. Sorry about the typo there. So katror also means square if it's just the geometrical object. Okay, now that's it for our explanation. Here is your homework. How would you read this? 75 divided by 3 equals 25. Okay, write your answer in Albanian in the comments. Make sure to write the numbers correctly, and especially the mathematical operations that we just learned. As I said before, if you'd like to remember all of today's vocabulary, we've created an entire maths and arithmetic flashcards desk inside the Shqipify flashcards app. It includes every word from today's lesson, together with examples, audio, and spaced repetition to help you remember everything much faster. The link is in the description below and also in the pinned comment. And that's it for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Shqipify, and leave a comment telling me what topic you'd like to learn next. As always, if you are really serious in becoming fluent in Albanian in a shorter time with the help of a tutor, please send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com, which you can also find in the description below. Faleminderit shumë për shikimin dhe shihemi në videon tjetër.